At Ashwath, sunrise challenges us in many ways. While cotton and textiles are our life energy, we are inspired and influenced by nature in everything we do. Our product, our processes, and our infrastructure, all of it embrace nature from within. Ashwath Incorporated is a fiber-to-fashion garmenting solutions company. With over 3 decades of experience, Ashwath chased its dream of being a fully integrated fiber-to-fashion enterprise, making it a 100% captive capacity garmenting company. With all resources at our immediate command, we deliver style to sampling in short lead times of less than 3 weeks. Our search of perfection starts with the quality of fiber we procure. State-of-the-art technology hallmarks its presence everywhere at Ashwath. Starting with the blow room, a process that ensures that the raw cotton is segregated based on ideal fiber lengths. Our perfectly sequenced assembly line from carding to knitting is a symphony in ideal production integration. Robotic technology at our airjet stations perform multiple tasks. Quality parameters like humidity control, dust and fluff control are uniquely handled through special purpose technologies that ensure ideal humidity and environmental conditions. Color dispensing at Ashwath is an industry benchmark. The dyeing facility achieves contemporary styles and finishes in garments, with technology being a focus in our dyeing environment too. As a result, we deliver higher wash-resistant fabric with greater fabric evenness that enhances the quality of our garments. Skilled design professionals ensure that the designs we deliver are contemporary, easily expandable for production, and versatile in application for automated processes. Top-of-the-line printing technologies ensure we deliver perfection in our design delivery. The laser engraving technology available in-house at Ashwath is a unique draw for our ability to deliver specialty finishes on garments. The cutting, stitching, finishing competence is cutting edge. Seamless, uncompromising quality down to the smallest detail. An obsession for newer technologies keeps us ahead of times. While we continue to focus on excellence, our sights are never too far from our inspiration, nature. A fact that reflects in our native tree collection and a specially curated herbal garden. Rooftop solar energy powers a substantial portion of our energy needs, supporting our general lighting requirement that runs completely on LED luminaires. A parabolic steam generator supports the steam needs for ironing, with energy generated from solar infrastructure. steam-propelled technologies reiterate our commitment to lowering carbon footprints in our operations. Ashwath is a zero-discharge facility supported by a fully integrated RO treatment plant which ensures that the water utilized in processes is 100% recycled. We are a socially and ecologically compliant, quality-driven organization providing direct employment to over 600 skilled professionals, all of whom share our passion to deliver. Not an easy task, considering that we dot the globe with our presence in key markets that include Australia, Africa, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Germany and South America. Ashwath enjoys the challenges that come with sunrise every day. As we continue to be inspired by nature, we deliver products that find favor globally.